Vlog
Hola mga
ramen.
Pelitas! Another mini vlog, and today it's Channel's it's
Nagkaroon siya ng
Channel's
lakas.
day because it's Sunday. It's her day kasi gala namin on Saturday. So ayan guys, we had tried this ramen sagi, which is located in El Corso, and they have a lot of varieties ng ramen, in which very affordable lang guys compare sa mga ibang ramen stores. And hindi siya pang chipipan na pang lasa guys. It's really worth it. Sa halagang 800 something, 800 pesos something, may 4 na dishes ka na. Tapos may drinks pa. And we had order, ayan, yung paborito niyang spicy. And also I got the spicy tonkatsu, in which the Hakata tonkatsu. Medyo mild lang siya. And then, we really love the gyoza. Rating it from 1 to 10 is 8/10. Kasi, masarap siya. Plus, very affordable. Plus, the ambience and the view. So, guys, try it now. And see you on our next vlog. Bye!